Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a contact form. First, choose a suitable contact form solution for your website, like a popular plugin or a built-in feature. This initial step is crucial for establishing a direct communication channel with your audience. Make sure your website platform is fully compatible with your chosen method for seamless integration and optimal performance. Next, let's customize your form fields. You'll want to include standard fields like name, email, and a message box. Consider adding custom fields, perhaps for a subject line or a phone number, to gather more specific information. Arranging these fields intuitively with clear labels ensures a smooth experience for your visitors. Now, we'll configure your email notifications. It's vital to specify the correct email address where all form submissions will be sent. Customize the email subject and message content so you immediately understand the inquiry. Also, set up an automated confirmation message to reassure users their submission was successful. Finally, let's look at advanced features and testing. Implement spam protection, like a reCAPTCHA, to prevent unwanted submissions. You might also explore integrating your form with other tools, such as a customer relationship management system. Most importantly, thoroughly test your form by submitting at least 5 entries to ensure everything works perfectly before going live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.